how to use page tool on photopea.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Now, first of all, you have to find the page tool. Let's say this is the page tool, this is spot healing tool and spot brush tool, and then is the page tool. Now you have to select the area from which you want to put the page to another area. So for that, you have to click on alt page, and then you have to select the page. So this is the target page that I want to make, and then I have to select the source page. Now let's say I have selected the source page from here, and then I have to move it from here to that point. I can do it by doing a different kind of steps. Now I have selected the picture. Now I have to click on this and move it to the picture that I want. First of all, I have to rasterize by clicking on the layer, and then I have to click on rasterize. Now I can move this picture to wherever place I want, and then it will just make a page over there. This is how I can make the pages, and I can use the page tool. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.